Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Premiere Pro caption timing with YouTube subtitles. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your video project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Navigate to the timeline where your video is located. Select the captions track or the specific captions you want to verify. Click on the captions panel to view your subtitles. Next, play your video to see how the captions appear in real time. Take note of any timing discrepancies as you watch the video. Now, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Log into your YouTube account and access the video you want to check. Click on the CC button to enable subtitles for the video. Compare the YouTube subtitles with your Premiere Pro captions. Pay attention to the timing of each caption as they appear. Adjust the timing in Premiere Pro where discrepancies exist. To do this, select a caption and trim or extend it in the timeline. Revisit YouTube to confirm the adjustments made are correct. Repeat this process until the timing in Premiere Pro matches the YouTube subtitles. Once everything aligns perfectly, you're ready to export your captions. Finish by rendering your video with the updated captions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.